Hey, so what the cluck are you guys doing right now? Yeah, so this one's a little feisty.
Are you chicken to invest in real estate, or have you felt like you've been chicken up to this point? This is Dr. Sherry, and
JP Fluellen.
so we have a solution for you, and that is our real estate investing blueprint webinar that's going on this month. So we want you to join in, hear the secrets that will take you as an entrepreneur to the next level by investing in real estate. We want you to join the webinar so that you don't have to be chicken anymore.
Are you just holding your poultry back? Chicken to get going? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Oh, jeez. Just like old Red over here, right? Stop what you're doing and get clucking.
Don't let yourself be a chicken.